Hello, my name's Philip Ryland from the Faculty of Management, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about our STEEP programme, a unique, tailored and dedicated programme aimed principally for our students to support them in developing those skills that they need to excel in industry in their first graduate role.
The networking STEEP class was really useful because it put me out of my comfort zone, develop my communication skills, so that's something that will aid me when I go for a job interview.
My favourite STEEP workshop this term has definitely been the executive image, which was run by a really nice guy called Piran. He's professional and he deals with how people portray themselves and does lots of training courses, so he had so much relevant information that was really good for all students and no matter what course you were doing. So we learned all about self-confidence, how to portray yourself in a meeting, how to get information across without waffling, how to really be just quite a concise speaker in front of lots of other people. I really enjoyed this because I think it would apply to any job that I walked into. It's definitely something that employers are looking for.
So I think all the different STEEP workshops that I attend will be useful for my future career, but in particular the networking and negotiation skills workshop. The networking workshop enabled me to understand how to approach a networking event and how to approach a potential employer, whilst the negotiation event enabled me to understand how a negotiation meeting can go through different stages and how to analyse an individual's body behaviour. So I think all of the STEEP workshops will be relevant for my future career.
The STEEP programme has been developed over 5 years at Bournemouth University, and much of the development has taken from student feedback, but also an awful lot of interaction with industry. I spend a lot of my time connecting with industry, talking to them about the skills that graduates need for the future. And this informs the construct of the different sessions and workshops that come forward. What they're telling me in my conversations is that students need to add value to their academic career at university, and we do this in a number of different ways. The STEEP programme addresses this very successfully, but changes every single year due to the nature of the fast changing and turbulent sort of markets our students enter into when they leave us. Now, the STEEP programme addresses this in a number of different ways by getting that feedback from industry, because our job is to look at that relationship between their academic underpinning but also their ability to go and apply those skills and knowledge in industry.
I think the STEEP workshops are a fantastic opportunity for students to get involved with personal development. The STEEP workshops have been really useful for my graduate job hunting and for placement students as well. I think this is really relevant for them.
So doing the qualification, employers benefit because they can see that you've got that knowledge, you've got that knowledge, and it's on paper as well. So it's really useful to make you stand out, really helpful for that, and overall a great benefit to add to your CV.
So, our STEEP programme includes workshops, events, professionally certified training days, all designed to help you, to inspire you, to challenge you, to build your confidence, to help you get closer to industry, and most importantly of all, to help you stand out from the crowd.